Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be trying out a new format and we'll be learning about summer nouns. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you.
The first word is summer. Summer. Summer is a season that takes place from June to September, and it is usually associated with very hot temperatures. A way that you can use summer in a sentence is, my favorite season is summer because I have no school. My favorite season is summer because I have no school. Summer. The next word is barbecue. 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 Barbecues can be used to describe an item that cooks/grills food or a get-together with friends. A way that you can use barbecue in a sentence is, on the weekend, I will go to a barbecue. On the weekend, I will go to a barbecue. And as you can see in the photos, we have a picture of an actual barbecue, the thing that makes the food, and the other picture is a get-together with friends. The next word is air conditioner. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. An air conditioner is an object that creates cold air to beat the summer heat. So typically, this is something installed in a home, as you can see from the photo, and when you turn it on, it can create cold air. A way that you can use air conditioner in a sentence is, the air conditioner is always on at night. The air conditioner is always on at night. The next word is beach. 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 A beach is a place near a body of water. Typically, there is sand at the beach, and later on we will go over some words that are associated with the beach as well. A way that you can use the word beach in a sentence is, the beach is very crowded because it is hot. And as you can see in the photos, you see the sand and the water. Beach. The next word is swimming. 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 Swimming is a form of exercise that you can do at the beach or the pool. The way that you can use swimming in a sentence is, I like to go swimming at the beach. I like to go swimming at the beach. As you can see in the photo, that girl is really enjoying swimming, and you don't have to swim just at the beach. You can go swimming in a pool, for example. Swimming. The next word is swimsuit. 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 A swimsuit is something you wear when you go swimming. Here we have a picture of a girl wearing a swimsuit, and a way that you can use swimsuit in a sentence is, I bought a new swimsuit for the beach. I bought a new swimsuit for the beach. Swimsuit. The next word is sunscreen. 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 Sunscreen is something you put on your body to protect your skin from the sun. An example of sunscreen in a sentence is, because I didn't wear sunscreen, my skin turned red. Because I didn't wear sunscreen, my skin turned red. I don't know about you all, but I have made this mistake so many times, so please, if you go to the beach or if you go outside when it's very hot and the sun is out, wear sunscreen. Sunscreen. The next word is towel. 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 A towel is an item usually made of cotton or fabric to dry yourself off or something. For example, I brought a towel to the beach. I brought a towel to the beach. And as you can see here, a towel can also be used to put on the sand as a buffer between your body and the sand because the sand can get very hot. Towel. The next word is sandcastle. 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 A sandcastle is a castle or object made of sand, usually built at the beach. My sandcastle got destroyed by the ocean. And as you can see here, there is a sandcastle about to be destroyed by the ocean waves. So be careful not to build your sandcastle too close to the ocean, or else it might get destroyed. Sandcastle. The next word is surfboard. 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 A surfboard is a board usually made of wood that can be used to ride ocean waves. Sometimes it's hard to describe these words, so make sure you look at the photos that we are providing. So as you can see here, they don't just have to be made of wood, they can be made out of other things. And a way that you can use surfboard in a sentence is, he brought his surfboard to the beach. Surfboard. The next word is vacation. 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 A vacation is a time where people do not work or have school and they relax. So personally, I love vacations. A way that you can use vacation in a sentence is, I went to Hawaii for summer vacation. Vacation. The next word is camping. 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 Camping is an activity that can be done alone or with other people where you stay in nature. A way that you can use camping in a sentence is, my dad likes camping because it is in the woods. And as you can see in the picture, there's a family with things that we will go over later in the video, like tent, and they are just enjoying the nature. My dad likes camping because it is in the woods. Camping. The next word is sleeping bag. Sleeping bag. Sleeping bag. A sleeping bag is used for sleeping during camping trips. A way that you can use sleeping bag in a sentence is, my sleeping bag is padded to help keep me warm. Sleeping bag. The next word is tent. 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 A tent is a form of shelter used when camping. A way that you can use the word tent in a sentence is, setting up a tent takes so long. Setting up a tent takes so long. Tent. The final word is picnic. 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 A picnic is used to describe eating outdoors, and this can be done alone or with friends. A way that you can use picnic in a sentence is, I went on a picnic with my family and we ate sandwiches. I went on a picnic with my family and we ate sandwiches. A picnic is usually done during the summer because of the wonderful weather.
That was it for this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot. Please remember to practice, practice, practice. Have a great day. Bye!